friends, running kimono here, and everything today at Walgreens went perfectly. I need to buy a lottery ticket because every digital coupon came off, every amount of Walgreens cash showed up, the booster stacked, click your heels 5 times. It was a perfect haul. This was altogether a free plus $1.32 moneymaker for all of this merchandise. That's a $35 basket. And then on my store card, I just got the Scott deal from last week. I did it this week because the digitals are still there. And I got the All Pods because that is such a wonderful deal. So I'll jog through that again. And then just a couple stragglers at the end. I found this Keurig Advent calendar at Walmart for 75% off. So I'll talk about that. And then a couple really cheap and free items over at Rite Aid, if you might have that pharmacy. The weather report for you guys, kind of a blustery cold one out there. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Okay, so the first little dealio we're gonna talk about at Walgreens is with the Scott. So the Scott paper products are buy one, get one 50% off. So I picked up one paper towel for $5, and then I got his little friend for $2.50. At buy one, get one 75% off. So it's $7.50 for the two. For both items, we have dollar coupons. I didn't do the deal last week, guys. So what I did was I picked up these two for $7.50. So $7.50 for the two paper products. And then I got the little bag of All Pods for $3.49. And this morning we have a $1.50 digital for that. These coupons were from last week, just to note that, in case you're like, I didn't get them again. They were only from last week if you loaded them. So anyhow, the whole total for all of these three items is $10.99. And I had $1 off for that, $1 off for that, $1.50 off for that. So the new subtotal was $7.49. I used $5 in Walgreens cash. So I paid $2.49 out of pocket, and I had this progressive rebate on the Fetch Rewards app of spend 25, get back 5 on Scott, Kimberly-Clark, Viva, all that good stuff. I did a little bit yesterday over at the Dollar General, so I was really close, and with this purchase I got back my extra $5, so that just kind of washed it out. And if you have not signed up for the Fetch Rewards app, it is the new year. Maybe it's the year that you start using this app. If you use the link in the notes, the referral code is in there, and you photograph your first receipt, you're given $2 on anything. A pack of gum you bought yesterday or Taco Bell you bought last week. It's a terrific app. Scott is part of their catalog, so any purchase of these products, you get back extra points. So to get $5 back this morning, yes please, and thank you so much. So I really loved this deal. If you still might have these coupons, I think they expire on Saturday, so make this deal happen, pourvu. Guys, so this is all the merchandise that I got for my $35 basket. I had a digital spend 20, get back 5, and out of the Catalina machine I had spend 35, get back 8. So I stacked the two together and had a lot of success. So I'm just gonna explain what I did. I purchased 2 of these Palmolives. They are buy 2, get $3 back in Walgreens cash, and we had a 50-cent off of this. They're the 20 fluid ounce, so not a bad little deal. The Head & Shoulders, this is the one item I needed to boost up my basket. So these are 2 for $12, and we have a 3 off of 2 digital. And then when you buy 2, you get back this $4 store register reward for the Head & Shoulders. The soft soaps are, I believe they are $3.99 a pop. So for 2 of them, that's $7.98. We have a $1 digital for this. And then also in this weekend Smart Source, I used 1 paper coupon for that. I only used 1 paper coupon, but I used it. And then you get back $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy the 2. And then these little soft soaps, which are the 7.5 ounces, they're $1.99, BOGO 50% off. So for 4 of them, you're paying $5.98, and we have a 75-cent digital. Buy 4, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. And then I just picked up another bag of the All Pods for $3.49, and we have a $1.50 digital because that's what we use in our household. So for all of this entire basket, guys, it is $35.43. I got the cashier to scan the $8 when you spend $35, plus I had my booster loaded. I also had $7.74 of digitals and 1 paper coupon for this. So if not, you'll have $6.75 of digitals, but a whole lot of digital coupons going on here. So after all the digital coupons came off, it's $27.68 that I used my debit card to pay for. As I'm using 2 different spend boosters, I can't use Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance because it'll mess things up. And then what I got back, guys, was $25 in Walgreens cash. I got 13 back for the 8 booster and then the 5 booster. Add those 2 numbers up, you get 13. And then I got back 12, 3 for this, 5 for this, 4 for this, and then a $4 register reward for this. So after everything is said and done, it's free plus a $1.32 money maker. Now, if you do not have that extra $1 back for the soft soap or the $1 coupon from the soft soap insert, it'll be 32 cents for all of this, which I still think is a magical price point. Okay, guys, and just to let you know, no Colgate at my store, so this is one item they haven't stocked back. You know, you're hearing like empty shelves, and definitely for the Colgate, that's one item I saw, so I might have to look at a different store, but it's free this week with the digital 4 off of 2, and then get back a $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Also, I totally spaced on buying the 3 for $9 for the detergent by Downy and Tide Simply. I just forgot. So I'm definitely going to have to go back with my $4 store register reward and make some magic happen. Okay, so I really haven't been going to Walmart too much to do clearance, but these showed up in the clearance food section, and they put them up there on the 15th as per the tag, and it's $5. The original price point was $20, and it's the Keurig 24 cups of Christmas. This doesn't expire until May, so I have a couple of months to really enjoy this, and these are the coffees that are included, so it's just like, hey, try this and try that, you know? I got one for myself and one for my mother-in-law. I thought for $5 she'd probably get a real good kick out of this. If you go to the website brickseek.com, type in this UPC along with your zip code, you can see if your store may or may not have it. And again, I found this, they usually have like an end cap with food on clearance. If you look there, that's where I found them in my store. There's only a couple left. Like, I'm really surprised this wasn't with the clearance or the Christmas clearance stuff. I'm assuming it was there because possibly a late shipment, or they had extra in the back, or who really knows. But hey, for $5 to get 24 K-Cups, that's a little bit of value, because if you think about it, even a 12 pack of K-Cups of the McCafe, it's, you know, like $9.99 at a Meijer grocery store. So to get this at Walmart, I'm not too fussy about my coffee, and lots of Christmas coffee has that nice spice to it. I thought this would be a really nice treat. So the last store that we have is Rite Aid, and this week, this is a little freebie over at Rite Aid. The Colgate Optic White is $3.50. We have a $3 in ad, and then in this weekend Smart Source, there's a 50-cent coupon, and it just basically zeroes it out to free. The Speed Stick deodorants are also cheap. They're not free, but they're cheap. So they are $2.99 each. We have a $2 in ad plus a 50-cent coupon also from this weekend's Smart Source, dropping it down to 49 cents per deodorant. So for these products, I paid like a dollar and some change. So not the worst little dealio. Just some little cheapies over at Rite Aid. Okay, so Rite Aid also has a deal on the soft soap and the Irish Spring body wash for $4.99. There's a $2 in ad, I'll show you here in a quick second, plus a $1 coupon from this weekend's insert. So you would pay like $1.99 and get back $1 of bonus cash, shaking it out to 99 cents per. The limit for that is 2 per store card, but I just think that deal is just a little bit better over at Walgreens when you can use Walgreens cash with it. That's where I prefer to buy my body wash. I mean, if it was free or if I had a lot of bonus cash on my store card, I probably would do it, but I just don't have it at the time. This is the in-add $2 coupon, so you would clip one of these, and you can do this twice per store card to get that $1 back. So 99 cents is still a very reasonable price, and in this weekend Smart Source, we have this little $1 coupon that you can stack with it for either the Irish Spring or the soft soap for ladies. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye!